Not jump yet or jump?
Yeah, I did the 10 meter.
10 meter. How many times already?
I did it once.
Just once. Come on, let's do.
Woo!
Woo!
Do it.
Yeah.
So nice on you. Thank you. I've been looking for that color everywhere.
हेलो, आप लोग कैसा है? मैं आज आप लोगों को दिखाने वाला है बहुत सारा वाटरफॉल। ये है वाटरफॉल अलिंग अलिंग, इसके बाद क्रोया है, फिर केम्बर है, पुचुक, फिर एक्टिविटीज होगा जंपिंग, स्लाइडिंग
and the rock session is
yeah.
the girl, you get some girl here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
आशा करता है कि आप लोग बहुत मजा करेगा, देखते रहना, बहुत मजेदार बनने वाला है ये वीडियो। क्राउड अभी ज्यादा हो रहा है, अच्छा है, हमारे साथ गाइड रहेगा। Let's go. You want a guide?
Yeah.
Whoa. Hello, how was it?
Very good.
Enjoyed?
Yeah.
Hey, did you do the jumping?
Yeah, just the 5 meters.
Wow. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. Coming back next time?
Yes, of course.
Great, great. Hey bro, how was it? Enjoyed?
It was great.
Did you jump?
I jumped.
Great.
Traveling
Yeah.
free.
Yeah. Hello, how was it? Having fun?
It was amazing.
Great. Woo. Oh bro, did you jump?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Germany and you?
Germany. I'm from India, bro.
Have fun?
Yes, with your girlfriends. Yes. Yeah, honeymoon. Honeymoon before wedding. Great. Yeah, honeymoon before wedding.
Kroya है.
This is Kroya, hey.
Kroya है.
अभी आप लोगों को दिखाने वाला है Kroya waterfall. Yeah, basically for jumping and sliding, right?
Yeah, there's a 5
Enjoy the
meter
activity. Oh, very excited. ये है Kroya. यहाँ से जंप करना पड़ेगा। Hello. फिर ऊपर से स्लाइड करना है। Hi bro, ready for jump?
Yes.
Or scared?
No.
Not scared? You are scared? Come on, don't be. Come on, I wanna record you. Jump.
Soweit wie man kann. Arme aus.
Yeah.
Bein
Woo.
Try.
Yes. Woo. Come on. Now it's your turn. Yeah. Come on. Don't be scared.
Try. Go. 1.
Come on. Nothing will happen. Yes.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Great. Not jump yet or jump?
Yeah, I did the 10 meter.
10 meter. How many times already?
I did it once.
Just once. Come on, let's do.
Woo!
Woo.
Do it.
I'm going to jump from here. अभी यहाँ से नीचे कूदना है। Yeah. आ गया मजा। अभी जा रहा है स्लाइडिंग करने में, मजा आएगा। ये लाइफ जैकेट पहन लिया, डरना नहीं है।
And down.
And down. Yeah.
Make sure you go for strongly, yeah?
Yeah.
Put your feet straight
Yeah, okay.
and your hand
Yeah.
put on the chest.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, don't close.
Yeah.
Just spread your
Yeah. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! Are we done? Done, finish. अभी crowd बढ़ रहा है और लोग आ रहा है. Finish. Enjoy.
Yeah, it was good.
Come on, I'm here. Ah. Everyone is scared. Woohoo! Come on, come on, come on.
Okay.
Yes, come on. Come on, come on. I'll go at the last. I'll go at the last. I'm recording. Come on. It's going to be craziest jump. How many meters, bro?
10 meters.
10 meter jump. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Okay. Woohoo! Okay, you ready? Free your mind, don't think about it, just jump. You can do it. Ready? On 3, 2, 1, go! Free your mind, easy jump. You can do it. Come on, ready? 3. Okay. Just jump. 3, 2, 1, go! Ready? On 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! Nice. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah! Ole ole! 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you go first. Yeah. Don't think about it, just jump. If you're thinking a lot, you'll be scared. You can do it. You can do it, trust yourself. Easy jump, this one.
We have completed jumping 10 meter. Now it's time to jump 15 meter. Are you guys ready? Woo! And this is called Pucuk.
Okay.
Pucuk waterfall. 15 meter out already! Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah. Woo! Come on. Yeah, come on. Come. Come. Yes. Come on. No stress, nothing. You just need to jump. Yeah, run hard and jump, that's it. Can't hear. No, come on. Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready. Aduh, wih kata pula. Tapi baik. Quick!
It was a crazy jump. Completed 15 meter. First started with 10.
Yeah.
Then 15. And first one was? 5. Woo! 5, 10 and 15. Woo! Not jumping, come on. I wanna make some video.
I want to do head first.
Sorry.
It's crazy.
It's really crazy.
इतना मजा आ रहा था, बारिश आ रहा है साला. Come on, I'm recording. Yeah.
Jump together?
Jump together.
Yeah, together. Wait. Next way. Wait. Okay. 1, 2, jump.
Come on, you guys together. You also. Come on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump.
जंपिंग बहुत हो गया. अभी जा रहा है आलिंग आलिंग. वाह, ये है आलिंग आलिंग. फाइनली आ गया आलिंग आलिंग में. क्या शानदार वाटरफॉल है. मजा आ गया देख के. वाटरफॉल के लिए 1,25,000 इंडोनेशिया रुपया दिया है. और आप लोग लोबिना में भी आके रह सकता है. लोबिना से अराउंड 1 किलोमीटर ही है. अगर आ सकता है तो उबुड से भी आ सकता है, लेकिन दूर होता है उबुड से. मैं तो लोबिना में आके रहा है. एक रात रुकने वाला है. और डॉल्फिन शो भी देख सकता है, डॉल्फिन भी। आशा करता है कि आप लोग ने ये वीडियो एंजॉय किया है तो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड राइट योर कमेंट, एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। थैंक यू गाइस।